Hi, my name is Aanchal Jain and I am a junior this year at Okemos High School. A fun fact about me is that I attended Bennett Woods Elementary School as a young girl. For this Halloween card, you're going to need these three colors of paper. That's orange, green, black. Optionally, if you have some golden paper, you can use this. If not, you can always use yellow paper. For the materials, you will need glue. Any glue, either liquid or glue stick works, a pair of scissors, a ruler, a Sharpie marker, and a pencil. Some other extra materials that are optional are a stencil to draw a circle and some googly eyes if you have them. If not, I will show you how to make this card without these materials. I have started off by taking my green sheet of paper and I have drawn a circle on it using my stencil. If you don't have a stencil, you can use recycled containers or even try to get creative and maybe find something around your house that has a circular shape. Once you've done this, go ahead and grab your scissors and cut out the circle. Now I'm grabbing my orange sheet of paper and I'm going to take my scissors and my ruler and my pencil, and I'm going to draw straight lines all the way down this paper. So here I've cut out all of the orange strips of paper. Now I'm going to take these and put these aside as well. Lastly, I'm going to grab my black sheet of paper. You can use any color here, but black makes it look extra spooky. So here I'm going to grab my pencil, my ruler, and a pair of scissors. What we're going to do is draw a witch's hat. So it looks like, and I'm going to cut this out. This is what my witch's hat looks like right now. So now you should have a black witch hat or any other color, a green circle, and many orange strips. With the golden sheet of paper, I'm turning it around, and I'm going to grab my pencil and my ruler and my pair of scissors. And I'm going to cut out a small rectangle here. And this will act as a belt on our witch's hat. So you can put the belt right across here. So I'll be back once I'm done doing that. So this is what the witch should look like now. As you can probably tell, it's not perfect at all, but that is completely fine. So now I'm taking my witch hat and I'm taking my golden belt and I'm going to take my glue and glue right above this rectangle that we have down here. I'm going to glue the belt like this. Now you may have some leftovers on the side, so we're going to turn it around and grab our scissors and cut off the excess. So first we're going to grab our witch's hat and we're going to apply glue all on the top up here. So you want to generously put glue up here and then stick the hat on top. After you've glued on the hat, we will take our googly eyes and put them right in the center of the face. Again, if you don't have googly eyes, you can always use a marker or any other substitute that you can think of. So I have placed them on here. So the last step to finish off this Halloween card is using a Sharpie marker to draw a nose and a smile. I hope you enjoyed making this very cool and easy Halloween card. Be sure to continue to read, learn, and grow by being sure to attend your classes and keep asking your teachers questions. Stay curious and keep reading. Bye!